here we had written Barbie, and this is head. We can show this head up and left and all, and now we can open. This is the doll. Now we can remove the shoes. And this is the head. It can turn here like this and like this and like this. And here we have a hood that we can put it like this. And this we can remove. This is shorts, and we can make our own shorts too, and we can also make our own dress and shirts, and we can remove it fully, and we can make also our own shoes, and we can put the hand like this, and we can put it like this backwards and up, and this hat. Leg we can keep it like this, and this we can, and we can make it sit, and it also can stand. I plan to make a jeans and shirt for him, and this is, now we have many dolls here.